we have quite a few members of our community who are using TextBlaze with Roam Research. Now, we're also fans of Roam, so we figured it would be cool to use TextBlaze to create a journaling template that you can use in Roam. But before I walk you through it, I just want to explain quickly what TextBlaze is, in case someone outside of our community stumbles upon this video. At its core, TextBlaze is a free text expansion app that works in your Chrome browser. Its purpose is to save you time and mistakes when using repetitive text, such as standard email responses, social media, and so on. All you do is create a snippet, add text, give it a recognizable name, and a shortcut. Now you can type that shortcut anywhere in your browser, and TextBlaze will insert the text you gave it earlier. So let's see how we can use this in Roam to create our journaling template. First off, let's see what the template looks like inside of Roam. I type the shortcut, click Insert, and TextBlaze automatically inserts the template. You'll notice that I have a number of links because I want to take full advantage of Roam's mapping technology. Here is the morning routine, and it's from Xiaomi's cool video, Using Roam as Your Daily Journal. Then I have this section called Days Log, where I record my day in detail. The first part is a morning check-in, and it comes from Mark McElroy's blog post called How to Keep a Journal in Roam Research. Next, we have some to-dos, and then a detailed breakdown of each major part of the day: morning, afternoon, evening. I use these to record significant events during the day, analyze my reactions, learn from them, and note how they affected my overall mood. Finally, I have a Daily Notes Retros section by Stian Haklev, to whom I apologize in advance for my poor pronunciation. The cool thing here is that TextBlaze creates these dates dynamically. I'm recording this video on November 3rd, 2020. Here, TextBlaze gives me the date 1 week, 1 month, and 1 quarter ago. And these will change depending on when you insert the snippet. So if I use the snippet tomorrow, the dates will be October 28th, October 4th, and August 4th respectively. And this happens automatically without having to lift a finger. Now let's have a look at how this all works. Don't worry if it looks complicated. I'm leaving a link in the description where you can grab this template and save it directly into your TextBlaze account. What you see here is a mixture of plain text and commands. For instance, here I'm telling TextBlaze to emulate the Enter key to give me a line break. Here I'm emulating the Tab key, which gives me an indent. The trim setting is there to remove any extra white space, but you don't need to worry about it at this point. Everything else works in pretty much the same way: text, automated keystrokes, links, to-dos, and so on. By the way, you can also use the keystroke emulation command to create headings in Roam. Here at the bottom, I have my time commands, which I'm using to create the dynamic dates and shift the current date back by 1 week, 1 month, and 1 quarter. And that's pretty much it. As I said, you can grab this snippet from our community forums by following the link in the description. If you're not registered on the forums, you can do so by using your TextBlaze logins. And if you don't have TextBlaze installed, just head over to blaze.today and follow the instructions. Everything you see in this video can be done with a free TextBlaze account. I hope you find this journaling template useful. Feel free to change it around as you please. If you have any questions about how to modify it, ask away in the forum and we'll be happy to help. Make sure you check the video description for links to all the resources you need. Happy journaling!